Hello, I'm Mo. Thank you so much for visiting. My artwork's name is Pages. 同じページでも違う物語がそこにあり、15ページと示すフォントも違うことに面白さを感じて撮りました。I hope you enjoy FOTORAMA.
Hi, I'm Honami. Thanks for coming to see our exhibition. I made a work called Sufficient Ties. Welcome to FOTORAMA. Please enjoy.
ハロー、こんにちは。I'm 長尾琥珀。Thank you very much for coming today. I made work called The Passing of 15 and Dialogue. Welcome to FOTORAMA. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rumi. Thank you for coming. My work is called Spring Yet to Bloom. Please enjoy FOTORAMA.
Hi, I'm Mei Nagata. Thank you for coming to our exhibition. I made a work called Metamorphosis. Please pay attention to the shape. Welcome to FOTORAMA and please enjoy.
Hi, I'm Mao. I really appreciate you being here today. My work about the light comes from a very personal story about finding hope one small bite at a time. Welcome to FOTORAMA. I hope you enjoy it.
Hello, I'm Takahiro Yokoi. Thank you for coming to our exhibition. I created a work titled Chromatic Night. Welcome to the FOTORAMA. Enjoy. Bye.
ズドラボスビマムスルビー。Hi, I'm Atsuko Ichikawa. Thank you for coming to our exhibition. Inspired by the number 15, I created this work combining moon phases and human relationships. Welcome to FOTORAMA and please enjoy. ありがとう。
Hi, I'm Ujang. Nice to meet you again. I actually joined the exhibition last year. For this year, I submitted a few photographs that shows the buildings, apartment buildings in Japan, which many of which are being built as 15-floor buildings. So that's how it's related to the topic of this year, 15. I hope you like it and enjoy my photos. Thank you, and maybe see you again.